Today I will be talking about the Yule Pinecone. Some people had asked me questions on the post about it on my TikTok, so if you're watching this from a different platform and you have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about, I will do my best to answer those questions that people have asked. So firstly, this will be my third year doing it. I don't know any of the correct rules or whatever. I just found this picture one day on Facebook, thought it seemed cool and shared it, and then I saw other people in these comment threads suggesting these different things you can do. Like for one, you can decorate it if you like. I don't typically decorate it. Somebody says, can you hang it on the tree? Yes, if you want to. If you can find a little string or something that's at the top and you want it as a decorative piece before you do the wishing part on Yule, whether it's the first day of Yule, somewhere in the middle, or the last day, because I don't think there's a specific day as long as it's within that time frame. I typically do the whole wishing thing on the first day, which involves burning it. I will get to that in a minute. So the Yule pine cone, what you do is, I already wrote my little wishes in here, and I'm gonna do that next step to show you what to do. So what you do is you write on some paper wishes that you're hoping for the new year. It can be wishes for yourself. It can be for friends, family, whoever, your pets, I guess. Someone suggested trying to write your wish like you're manifesting something. Say, you wish or talk about it like you already have it. Say you want a job promotion that you worked really hard for, and say, I have the job promotion, kind of like talking it into existence, basically. I do not recommend putting any wishes down that are super unrealistic, like wanting a unicorn or something about wishing bad things on people, because if you're like me and you believe in karma, you don't want that coming back on you, so don't do that either. So I'm trying to remember what I was going to say. So first, burning it. If you're a person who doesn't have a fireplace, because not everybody does, you can burn this in like a fire safe like dish or whatever, or if you have like a little cauldron type thing, or if you're not afraid to go outside during the weather when it's cold and just bundle up, just open up your grill, sit on your grill and light that up. That's what I do, because we do have a fireplace, but it's got one of those electric inserts, so we've never used it as an actual fireplace. So that was like the best thing I could do. I just go in the backyard, I put it on the grill, and I just take one of those long like lighter things and just light it up. It's really not too bad, and that way too you have less of a chance of catching your house on fire. If you're trying to do it in a fire safe dish or bowl, make sure it's big enough that when the flames are all going up, it's not going to catch something. And if you're afraid of that, make sure you have some water handy so you can dump it immediately right on it, or if you have a fire extinguisher. Not everybody does, but okay, so the next step would be, I'm going to show you, how to put the papers inside it. Step is complete. Sort of reminds me of fortune cookies with all the little papers inside, except, obviously it's not a cookie. As you can see, you just like roll up the pieces of paper after you like rip them out or cut them out, whatever you prefer, and you do this. You stick them in little slats. Someone might wonder, is there a limit to how many wishes you can have? Honestly, I don't think so. I never found any information on that. I'm guessing as long as you have enough like slats available to put the little pieces of paper in, that's how many wishes you have that you can make. But yeah, it was hard because this one's shaped kind of weird. Like there's slats that are like way too like wide apart, so the pieces of papers wouldn't stay and they kept falling out. So I was like, well, it's the best I can do. If you don't want to hang it up on your tree or something while waiting to a day to burn it, you can just do what I do and just like put it on your dresser or something. But because I have cats, I try and make sure I find a way to hide it out of view, because they do like to go up on our furniture, and they're very curious little monkeys. Again, when burning it, make sure that you do it in a place that's safe, so you're not setting your house on fire trying to make little wishes. I can't guarantee they'll come true, and again, it depends on what you believe. Everybody believes in different things. And if you're not even someone to believe, you can just do it for fun, or you can have your kids do it for fun if you got kids. Maybe be like a little little craft for them. Hey kids, I found out something. You tell them what it's about, and Why not? I mean, people who break those bones and those wish bones and they make wishes on them, and people who blow out candles on cake and throw coins in the wishing well. How is this really any different? Honestly. So you can laugh at me if you want. It might be ridiculous to some people. I really don't care. I enjoy doing it. So, um, other than that, I think I covered all the questions from the what I've seen people ask me before on my TikTok post and other stuff other people have asked me over time, or questions I've seen other people ask each other about this when I came across more information about the pine cones, the Yule pine cones. I mean, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So you guess you just pick and choose what day during Yule you want to burn it. The first day, the last day, somewhere in between. It really doesn't matter. Or if you want to just I don't know what holidays people celebrate these days. Everybody, that's another thing. Everybody does different things. There's Hanukkah. People who like to celebrate Christmas, but they call it Yule and do all the like pagan stuff. So just have fun with it. And again, please be safe. Fire is not something to mess with. Any questions that I might have missed, don't be afraid to, ask me them, and I'll do my best to answer them. If I don't have an answer, then I will go and search for an answer.